Hi there, how are you doing? Today's April Yoga Challenge 2020 is very special because you see about 80 to 90% of the people worldwide are suffering from the chronic back pain. It's never ending. Whatever you do, it's never going away. And many people are very painfully, they are suffering with that. So today's Yoga Asana is beautiful. It's just going to flush out all your pains when you do it right. And not only one that you adopt in your daily practice. It can only help you when you adopt it in your daily life. It is called Bhujangasana, and we do it in the combination of Balasana, or the child pose. So the Cobra pose and the child pose together for today's April Yoga Challenge 2020. Are you ready? Okay, I show you first how to do it and then we do it together 3 times. Alright, so starting with that, slowly bring your knees out, inhaling deep, full breath in, and slowly and gently going down. Toes are flat, hips engaged, hands on the side of the chest, the chin is on the mat. If not, eyes are looking parallel with the ground. Deep inhalation going up, and then eyes looking in the center of the eyebrows and staying here for the count of 5. 1, and deep breathing. 2, 3, shoulders are relaxed. 4, 5. And so from here, inhaling deep, full breath in, and slowly see, now we are pushing the hips back and exhale and staying down in the child pose here for the count of 5. 1, 2, and making sure that our shoulders are always relaxed. 4 and 5. Okay, so this is very simple. Let's do it for 3 times. So our challenge starts now. Inhaling deep, full breath in. Exhale, gently lay down. Toes are flat on the ground, hips are engaged. Inhale deep, going up. Eyes looking in the center of the eyebrows and staying here and deep breathing for the count of 5. 1, 2, deep breathing. 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, full breath in, slowly bring the hips up. Exhale, release and let go in Balasana, in child pose. Deep breathing in here, deep breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep. Exhale deep and going down the second last times with a deep inhalation, we're rising up. Inhale deep. So if you're finding it's hard for your shoulder, you can just stay as up as you can. Okay, so our challenge version is this one. Full one. Deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eyes look in the center of the eyebrows. 4 and 5. Inhale deep, full breath in. Exhale gently down. Staying here for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, slowly. Exhale and going down. Inhale deep, rising up. Bhujangasana, the Cobra pose. 1, 2, toes are flat, hips are engaged. 3, 4, deep breathing. 5, inhale deep, full breath in. Exhale, last time going down. And deep breathing. Staying there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, full breath in, slowly head is up. Exhale, gently coming back in the center. So this was it. Very effective. However, a little bit challenging one who are doing it the first time because it requires strength in the shoulder. But don't you worry. The next days I'm going to share more asana with you which are going to increase the strength on your shoulders as well. So stay tuned for April Yoga Challenge 2020. My name is Manoyogi and you're watching April Yoga Challenge 2020 and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Bye.